Hello everyone. In the contemporary landscape, technology permeates nearly every aspect of our lives, fundamentally altering how we communicate, work, and navigate the world. This profound integration brings forth a multitude of impacts, both positive and negative, shaping the way we interact, think, and even perceive reality. In this exploration, we delve into the intricate web of technology's influence on various facets of our daily existence, seeking to understand its transformative effects on society, relationships, and individual experiences. Technology has profoundly impacted various facets of our lives. In communication, it has enabled instant global connectivity, but also raised concerns about privacy. In work, automation has increased efficiency but led to job displacement. In healthcare, technology enhances diagnostics, yet there are debates on its ethical implications. Exploring these dimensions can provide a comprehensive understanding of the multifaceted impact of technology on our daily lives. Technology has brought numerous positive changes to our lives. It has greatly improved communication, making it faster and more accessible globally. In healthcare, technological advancements have led to better diagnostics, treatments, and increased life expectancy. The convenience of online services has simplified tasks like shopping, banking, and learning. Additionally, technology has facilitated collaborative work environments, enhancing productivity and innovation. While technology has brought about positive changes, it also has some negative impacts. Increased screen time can lead to sedentary lifestyles and health issues. Privacy concerns arise as personal information is shared online. Job displacement due to automation is a significant challenge. Social media can contribute to mental health issues and cyberbullying. Striking a balance and addressing these challenges is crucial for harnessing technology's benefits while minimizing its negative consequences. Reducing the role of technology involves intentional lifestyle choices. Start by setting boundaries on screen time, particularly on social media. Engage in activities that don't rely on technology, such as outdoor pursuits or hands-on hobbies. Designate tech-free zones or times in your daily routine. Foster face-to-face interactions to strengthen personal connections. Consider periodic digital detoxes to reset and focus on offline experiences. Finding a balance that suits your lifestyle is key to decreasing the overwhelming role of technology. Predicting the future of technology is challenging, but several trends are anticipated to shape it. Artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning will likely continue to advance, impacting various industries. Quantum computing holds promise for solving complex problems. Augmented and virtual reality may redefine immersive experiences. Sustainable technologies and renewable energy solutions could gain prominence. The Internet of Things (IoT) is expected to further connect devices, while 5G networks will enhance communication. Biotechnology advancements and breakthroughs in healthcare are also anticipated. However, the future is dynamic, and these speculations may evolve as technology progresses.